Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW 3 Series, just generation E90, 91, 92, 93. If you have a problem where a door does not lock or unlock, I'll lock the car, right? This one is locked. Okay, well, I have the key in my pocket, but this one, okay, it opens. It doesn't unlock, it doesn't lock. Sometimes it will lock itself, but it will not unlock. Stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that. The part itself, it's super inexpensive. You can find it for a really good price. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. But if you go to the dealership, it will cost you quite a bit to get it fixed. Stay with us, we'll explain about that. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way you do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Every single car guys that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine, fuses, codes, transmissions, all that stuff guys. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Check out guys our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, what usually causes that guys, okay, for the car not to lock or unlock certain door? We have that problem on that BMW guys. Here, watch, I'll lock the doors, right? The doors are locked. I'll leave the key far away because it has the smart key. Now, if I come, this one's locked. Watch this one. I can open it without any problem. What guys causes that? Let me unlock the whole car and I'm going to show you now guys. We're going to come here. We remove the door panel. Now if you want to see how to remove door panel, we have multiple videos guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to fix things and save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Here guys, door panels usually have a few hidden screws, and then you have a few clips, usually about 8 to 10 clips holding it in place. You need to disconnect the interior door handle cable as well. Once you do that guys, you will come to that device that actually closes your door to the body. It will lock it right here, right? It will close it, and you have one little machine inside, little motor that will, okay, lock and unlock it, and it will pull that lever, okay, right here. Now it's locked, okay, and if we go up, it's unlocked. But watch, this one actually is damaged guys. It gets stuck. Now this is known as a door lock actuator. That's guys, okay, what causes the problems. Ours is right here. This is the device, okay, you can see that locks and then unlocks, locks, unlocks, just like this one guys. Now they do malfunction, but they're not expensive to, okay, buy them. We'll put links in the description of the video below where you can get them from, okay, and you can do it yourself. If you want to see how to replace door lock actuator guys, okay, we'll have complete videos on our YouTube channels guys, how to do it step by step. So let's go ahead and remove that one and show you what it looks like. So we disconnected one of the cables. We're going to remove that clip here that's holding in place. Okay, this one broke, we'll need to replace it. Sometimes they will, because they could be quite old. Now we're going to go ahead and remove it here, okay, in an angle. It comes together with the exterior door handle assembly, okay. And here guys, okay, comes out, you can see just like this one. All we have to do, unhook the wire here, okay, unhook this one and install it on the new one. But that's it guys, that's how you get to a window, to a door lock actuator. Not too complicated, but usually that will be, okay, what causes car door not to lock, unlock, not to close correctly as well. So this is the main reason guys why a door lock actuator doesn't lock or unlock a door guys. You need to check. In some cases could be a loose wire of course, but almost sure that 9 out of 10 times is a bad door lock actuator. They have plastic gears and motors that start skipping and wearing out. You can kind of see the motor right here, and that's where it turns that thing, but that's what causes it quite often, okay, for a BMW 3 Series E90, E91, E92, E93 door not to lock or unlock. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.